best of friends. I'm not promised you everything, or everything will be happy without problems. But one thing I can promise you is I'll be there for you every step of the way. I love you.
Six years ago, I asked God for someone who could love me just the way. He gave me more than I asked for. He gave me more than He gave me time, loving, tall, dark. Thank you for loving me. Thank you for supporting me. I'm not gonna be the perfect, but I'm not satisfied. I care for you. I love you.
Now we sing together the prayer after me. Grant us, O Lord,
from this day forward, prepare for each other, sickness and health. Good day.
and I, by the authority of the Church, holding on all those present here as your witnesses, confirm and bless the bond of marriage which you have contracted. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.